Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video, here to bring you, a good demo of the PRVs. I think I was able to bring y'all a demo of the PRVs like a long time ago when I came back from Pennsylvania. But now it's I never really got a chance to see how they sound because after that day, the connections on them was lost. I'm gonna probably pop up a picture and show you guys, the connections. If not, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. They like little connectors that you just grab and then just put on a post of the speaker. Let's grab this speaker right here. And we're gonna do a little bit of examining of it too. I done bust the tweeter on it too, by the way. But I don't know for sure it's the tweeter busted. It's got something that you can press on here to let the tweeter go or whatever. So maybe the tweeter work on here. I don't know how I'm gonna test it out though. I might test it out in the back one day. I might go ahead and try to, get rid of these. Go ahead and try to sell them to somebody. But they was good speakers, man. The magnet pretty decently sized on them. I mean, man. But as far as how it sound in here, man, it sound insanely fantastic up in here. And I mean insanely fantastic. Now you're gonna be able to hear every word, every this, every that. This coming from the store. We ain't been working lately. So that means a lot of good content's gonna come out. Yeah, we ain't been working, man. It's sad to say. But we will get things together though. But yeah, this one right here. Let's see. This one right here. It does like 20. I think it starts at 20. We're about to see it. I'm sorry, guys. It's 28 Hertz. And that's it. So 28 Hertz. Oh, it's about to go crazy in here, y'all. It's like a nice little quiet area too. So here we go. sound nice and loud, y'all. Man, that was, ooh, man. That was terribly good, man. Terribly good. Yeah, man. Sounded great up in here, man. Let's see if we can find a little something else real quick. Probably give like, now this is 23 Hertz. Let's see how it sounds. That's it, man. That's it. I mean, I can't tell you, I can't explain to you how it sound up here, man. Another great demo. Another great low demo. Like, this car is really into the lows, man. Right? I just accepted it and then just rolled with it. So everything is playing good in the lows. As y'all can see, 23 Hertz was just playing pretty good. So, man, as far as the PRVs, man, we're going to keep them up in here for a good while. You know, sell those JBLs. You know, I finally got the little time to do some work to the car. It felt good. You know, when you want to get stuff off your mind, just work on your sound system, man. It seems like it makes everything better. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.